Hey there! Ever wondered how cement gets from raw clinker to that fine powder we use in construction? Well, today we're diving deep into India's cutting-edge clinker grinding machines, the real workhorses behind cement manufacturing. These powerful grinders take rough, hard clinker and transform it into the superfine cement powder that builds our cities. What makes Indian grinding technology so special? First, they're incredibly energy efficient, cutting power costs by up to 40% compared to older models. They're also built tough for India's demanding conditions, handling high temperatures and running non-stop with minimal maintenance. The grinding precision is amazing too. We're talking about achieving perfect particle size distribution for stronger, more consistent cement quality. Many plants in India are now upgrading to these advanced systems because they pay for themselves quickly through lower operating costs. Think about it: faster production, better quality cement, and significant savings on electricity bills. It's a win-win-win situation. These machines use innovative roller technology that crushes clinker between rotating rollers instead of traditional ball milling methods. The result? Less wear and tear, reduced noise pollution, and much higher grinding efficiency overall. For cement plant owners in India, this technology means staying competitive in a fast-growing market while meeting strict quality standards. The automated control systems are another game changer. They constantly monitor and adjust grinding parameters for optimal performance. No more guesswork. The machines self-correct to maintain consistent output quality, even when raw material characteristics vary. Maintenance is surprisingly simple too. Most modern grinders have easy-access components and smart diagnostic systems. When something needs attention, the machine actually tells you what's wrong and how to fix it, saving hours of troubleshooting time. India's cement industry is booming, and these grinding machines are at the heart of that growth story. They're helping manufacturers produce more cement, faster, while using less energy and creating less environmental impact. Whether you're building a new plant or upgrading an existing one, investing in modern grinding technology is absolutely essential. The return on investment calculations are impressive. Most plants recover their equipment costs within 18 to 24 months through operational savings. And we're not just talking about big corporations either. Medium-sized plants are seeing tremendous benefits from these upgrades. The technology has become more accessible and affordable, making it practical for operations of all sizes across India. So if you're in the cement business, it's time to seriously consider upgrading your grinding capabilities. Your competitors probably already are, and you don't want to get left behind in this rapidly evolving industry. Modern grinding machines aren't just equipment. They're strategic investments in your company's future growth and profitability. They deliver the quality, efficiency, and reliability that today's construction market demands from cement suppliers. Ready to take your cement production to the next level? The right grinding technology could be your biggest competitive advantage. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insights into India's manufacturing innovations.